Now we're going to start adding details. We're going to start adding details to the building. And we're going to start by the balconies. These balconies have a complexity. You have to put rails only in the border of the balcony that goes to the out space. You cannot put rails in this part. You have to rename this segment to south and then apply your horizontal profile to make your offset face to put your rail. Okay, let's try to locate where are the these segments. First of all, as you can see here, appear some areas that have no label. Those areas forms when the different profiles are one beside the other and make these areas between them that we name it skirt faces. These faces can be labeled this way. You have to go to your extrude and then you will label your skirt faces as trim. Okay, then the result will be this. So now I'm going to rename these segments, these edges that are opposite to these areas that are named trim, but for the north edge. Okay, in my sides I will rename edges by condition. I will say by opposite, rename the edge with label whatever to south. Let me put another label that can be, for example, back exit. To back exit when it is opposite to a face label trim, and till this let me show the result. As you can see, the system names these edges, but this one too. The way to only rename this is specifying here edge label north, and it belongs to face label floor. Let's do another. Okay, here. As you can see here, now only renamed the edges that was opposite to a face labeled trim and to an edge labeled north, that is this one. In this case, now I can make another rename, or I use directly this offset, this tool that is offset, that I can specify here by the north. Oh, sorry. Let's start making a rename. Convert back exit to south and the rest to north, and then I will apply this tool and will specify for the south 0.1 units, and the result will be this. Now I have this area where I will put my rail. Let's import our rail. This one. And in the sides, I will put my rail. In my results, I will rename it as invisible. This floor will be invisible too. And here, I will make an overlapping renamed to floor. Sorry. I have to select here floor. Now it goes. And this is the correct. That is perfect. Now I have my balconies. Let me select high level of detail. And maybe I can add here, I will add here an instance. I will convert to function this. See what the difference is. Now it's not an instance. See how time take, how that's why I make a mistake here. This doesn't belong here. We have to put this then to the floor, and then here, and it goes here. Now I have my windows, and then I will add some solution to this part. In this case, I can put some panel solution in the, which is the label accent. I will make a cut that will be this cut. I will use an expression here that will be floor h plus slab thickness. Okay, the result will be this. I divide that face in every floor, and then I will import one panel solution, and be this, and use it here. And this is my result. In that way, you can make buildings and add details. Now I have to put doors in my balconies, some windows, and some solutions in my lower level. And then I will add some details in the roof of the building. Now I'm going to add windows here. Let's see, this is east. east, here east. Then I will import. Now first I'm going to extrude minus 20 minus 0.2 units, and the sides I will rename it as wall, and in the cap I'm going to import this window and put it here. This will be my result here. Now I'm going to add a door for my balcony. That is here, west. I'm going to cut here. .5 from the top, and then a central cut here of 2 units, only one, adjust by secondary, then the primary will be west, the secondary will be wall, arrange my edges, this will be also wall, my result will be this. Now I have to put some door in here. First I'm going to import to make an extrude. Select west, that is the door. Then make an extrusion of minus 0.2. My sides I will select the south and rename it as floor, that is the down part of the door, and the rest will be wall. And I'm going to import now my door, this one, in my cap here. And this is my result now. Let me put this right, this 0, and this will be 3 units. Now I have my doors for my balconies. Let me add the top of the building. Let's rename all the edges to south. Then make an inset of 0.5 units, and the sides I'm going to extrude 1 unit. I will rename this as wall, and my result will be roof. And there you have your roof parapet. And the only thing that rests is to make my entrances and some other solutions for the low level. Now I add in the entrance, that is here, here, entrance, this part. I'm going to add another door. I will use this cut. This will be my result. I got my entrances, but I will modify something here. Instead of wall 1, I will put this as glass. Then let me import an entrance door. This one will be in the west, and in glass I'm going to make a cut like this, of 1 unit, and arrange my edges, and I'm going to put this same window, and if it doesn't fit, also put the same window but only one. That's it. And I will do the same thing in this part, but I'm going to do it differently. This is south. I'm going to make a cut here. The same 0.5 units. I will add a space here of 0.2 units. The same here. Point 2 units. I will say this will be wall, this will be wall, and this will also be wall, and then this will be south, and put my compass, and then I will select south. I will apply the same cut to put my window glasses. Something is not right here. Let's see what was the problem. The cut, okay, here, 0.2, okay. And now I have my building. Now I will instance the parts that repeat many times in order to optimize my model. This will be an instance. This will be an instance. And this also will be an instance. And now you'll see the difference. As you can see, it's really faster. This can be also an instance. Yes. The execution of the building is now really fast. Now I'm going to put this building into a scene. For that, I will transform it into a function. I'll say will building profile. This will be my building, and I will use for that this this DXF file. I will select the north faces of the DXF, and then I will use this tool to complete the edges, and then let's see which is the result of this. As you can see, the building start to take the shape of every plot. That's why this is one of the most solid ways to start a building, because it's very adaptable to every shape of the plots in which the building will be used.